In this video, I'm going to be talking about choosing the perfect name for your HVAC company, a crucial step for any new business in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry. A good name not only clearly indicates what your business does, but also sticks in people's minds and helps you stand out from the competition. First, understanding your target audience is key. Know who they are, their age, budget, and what services they prioritize. This helps you tailor your company name to resonate well with potential clients. For instance, if you're targeting eco-conscious buyers, consider incorporating green or eco-friendly terms into your name. Next, reflect your brand identity in the name. If you specialize in both HVAC and plumbing services, a name like Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing Experts makes your scope of services clear. If your focus is on trust and professionalism, use words in your name that convey these values. Then, ensure your chosen name is unique and memorable. It should be easy to pronounce and spell, helping customers to remember you. Avoid names that are too similar to existing businesses in your area to avoid confusion. Finally, check the availability of the domain name and ensure no trademark issues. This step is crucial to protect your brand and confirm your presence online and in the market. Choosing the right HVAC company name involves understanding your audience, reflecting your brand's unique traits, ensuring memorability, and securing legal protection for your name. With these tips, you're well on your way to establishing a recognizable and respected HVAC business. And that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more from Contractor Plus. If you run a service business, download the free Contractor Plus app and take your business to new heights.